triangle ABC has vertices A 2,5, B 6,6, C 5,2. Reflect the vertex A 2,5 over the x-axis. The image A prime is A 2, minus 5, B minus 2,5, C 5,2, D minus 2, minus 5. Answer A. A point lies on the line y equals square root of 3x. After reflection over the same line, its image is A, the same point, B, the origin, C, the reflection over x-axis, D, the point rotated 90 degrees. Answer A. Reflect Q minus 4, minus 1 over y equals minus 6 minus 2. The image Q prime is A 1, minus 2, B minus 1, 2, C minus 1, minus 2, D 1, 2. Answer B. Reflect 4, 0 over y equals 2x. The image is approximately A minus 2.4, 3.2, B 2.4, minus 3.2, C minus 3.2, 2.4, D 3.2, minus 2.4. Answer A. Reflect R 5,2 over the line y equals x. The image is A 2,5, B minus 5, minus 2, C 5, minus 2, D minus 2, minus 5. Answer A. Reflect the point 1, 0 over the line y equals square root of 3x. The image x coordinate is A minus 1 over 2, B 1 over 2, C square root of 3 over 2, D minus square root of 3 over 2. Answer B. The point R minus 2, 0 lies on the line y equals minus 6, minus 2. Its reflection over the same line is A minus 2, 0, B 0, minus 2, C 2, 0, D 0, 2. የዚህን ጥያቄ መልሱን ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ውስጥ አሰራሩን ማየት ብትፈልጉት ካለ ኦር ሌላ ያልገባችሁ ፖርሽን ጥያቄም ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ አትርሱ። መልካም ጊዜ